We've been here 5 years now, and the restaurant started up as the hotel got opened. We're on the ground floor, right across from the street from the visitor center. So when you come the corner from the park, you'll see us right there. The Bedre Cafe sign's right there in your face. So it's kind of a welcoming sign. When this was designed for the hotel, it was going to be an outlet for the chocolate factory. Kind of a nostalgia take you back. Mom and pop style restaurant, 50s diner. We decided to add sandwiches and coffee, and then we just kind of blossomed out from there. We have a salad, we have daily specials, soups of the day that's very popular. Come with some specialty items in our chocolate that they make at the factory. Our crisps is our #1 seller. They're a potato chip that is actually dipped in the chocolate. Twists, it's like the bugle that's dipped in white chocolate. They're delicious. We've got a big selection of desserts. We have cakes and pies. We have a full menu of ice cream items, old-fashioned sundaes, hot fudge sundaes, banana fudge sundaes, hot brownie sundaes, shakes.
So I'm going to change it up and get the lemon Italian. It is awesome.
Our signature shake's the Arbuckle shake, and it is a caramel shake that's topped with whipped cream, and it's drizzled with more caramel and chocolate pieces. Our meltaways, some of our meltaways. We get our teas from the Tea and Spice Exchange next door. The most popular we have is our chicken salad sandwich. It's from a great recipe. It has chopped pecans and cranberries in it. It's a really good chicken salad. Our turkey caprese sandwich is probably our #2 seller. It's an Italian style turkey caprese sandwich. And we have a roast beef called the Southern Trails. It's really good. It's got a horseradish cheddar with it. We get our coffee bean from a man in Oklahoma City, and he's kind of getting well known up there. The name of the company is Eote. It stands for Ends of the Earth. And he gets his coffee beans from all over the world, and he roasts them himself there at his place, his roastery in Oklahoma City. And I buy them fresh from him. So, and we have our espresso beans from him and our coffee beans, and it's probably the best coffee you'll find in Oklahoma.